Right then, how do you tell the difference between an iPhone 6 and an iPhone 6s's home button? Well, I would say it's simple. Ordinarily, an iPhone 6, the grounding pin, here, here, and here, on an iPhone 6, is the gold one. On an iPhone 6s, it's this pin. But it seems I bought an aftermarket button, whatever, and it's a bit shit. But the other way you can tell, if you look at under this Lego, here, on an iPhone 6, it ordinarily has the numbers 2441 in front of them. But on an iPhone 6s, it has 00459/01. Now, that will fit into an iPhone 6s, and that will fit likewise. But don't ever do it, because it'll get red hot and it could damage your phone. Hope this helps.